Welcome back to the Visual Basic for Beginner series. Next, we will move on to the programming concept. I am starting with the comment statement that we can write side by side while writing our code. The VB compiler just ignores this type of statement so that we can write anything whatever we want to. You can insert comment to remind yourself why you did something or just clarifying any tricky code that you wrote. So just use comments in the programming while you are writing any code. You can use either a single quote for a single line comment or REM, the REM keyword. Here is the example that's showing you how to use the comment statement. We use comments at the end of the belt statement here. Here is the one using single quote and the other one is using rem keyword. Next one is primitive or the basic data types. We generally work with the data in our daily life. Data is like text, number. So where you store the information on the computer depends on what kind of information it is. Like for example, if it is a text, then you probably stored in a Word document. Or if it is a numerical, then you probably store in a MS Excel sheet. Or it is a graphic, then you probably stored in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So we're simply sorting what kind of information or data we have. In Visual Basic, like other programming language, uses variable and constant to represent temporary storage of data. So when we assign a value to a variable or a constant, it should be of any specific data type. For example, in VB, if we are working on a text, then equivalent data type must be a string or a character. And if we are working on a number, then the equivalent data type must be integer, long, single. So for the efficient programming in Visual Basic, we need different type of data types. Next topic, operators in VB.NET. Operators are basically used to process the data that is entered by us. VB.NET support only binary operators. The operators are divided into main categories like arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, concatenation. In arithmetic operator, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation and modulus. In the relational operators, we have this type of operators: less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to. So we will use them while programming. We have also some logical operators like and, or, not, XOR. So that was a quick introduction of comments, data types and operators in this video. So there are many more videos coming up on the topic of Visual Basic.NET. Thanks for watching.